Turbo family? Hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing day, guys. Listen, Turbo is pumping again. Okay, listen, everyone's just talking about it, whether it's good or whether it's bad. I know there was a lot of FUD that came out about it, but that's all it is. It's just FUD at the end of the day. We're going to be talking about my favorite meme coin today, guys, and honestly a meme coin that helped me build my channel. And I just want to say shout out to everyone that holds Turbo. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, guys, if you could help me get to 10K subs before the end of the year, I covered Turbo every single day for the past 6 months. I don't think I've missed a day, maybe just one day in these last 6 months. You guys let me know how many days I've missed, but I cover it every single day, guys. I post 3 times a day to keep you guys updated and informed on your favorite meme coins. So subscribe, help your boy out. And yeah, with all that being said, right now Turbo's trading at 205,148. Everything is looking a little bit more green. Happy days in the markets. Yeah, listen, if you're wondering why should I listen to, I've just been in crypto since 2017. I'm not a financial advisor by any stretch of the imagination. I just like Turbo. I like altcoins. I like meme coins. I like talking about it. And yeah, let's hop into today's video, guys. Boom, the chart in the last 24 hours looking a little bit better, right? A little bit more friendly. In the last 7 days, though, we are down 23.62% because we did run all the way up to that 207 mark, and then we had a little bit of some frightening news saying that Memecoin, who is the dev, who again is doxed, he had a huge unlock for 6.5% of the total supply. And even though it is true, it doesn't mean that Turbo is, a rug pull, or that Turbo is going to go down, or Turbo is going to crash by any stretch of the imagination. That's just silly to think that. Right? I mean, guys, you need to understand that there's exchanges that are buying this thing up from the open market because no one is paying these exchanges to list it, right? Like literally Crypto.com, KuCoin, Bitfinex, Kraken, HTX, OKX, Binance, all huge tier 1 listings. And even more, like, guys, they're listed on over 85 plus spot exchanges. Now that doesn't happen when there is a potential rug looming, right? That doesn't happen. These exchanges, they're in the business to make money as well. Why would they try to buy a token that's going to help or make them lose money? You need to understand, even on OKX, one of the biggest exchanges, one of their top 10 holdings is Turbo. Now, if you guys are thinking that, hey, I'm smarter than these exchanges, I can out trade these exchanges, you can't. You genuinely can. They probably have some of the best traders in the game on each of these exchanges, making the best choices for them whenever possible. Okay, so don't think that you could out trade these exchanges. They are pivotal in the crypto space. Now, total supply 69 billion. Majority of it is circulating except for the 6.5% that was unlocked. Volume up 5%. We're in the top 100 again, or we're back in a comfortable position. The thing is, with the volume for Turbo, it's never dipped below the top 100, which is, to me, that's very exciting, because to me that shows how much trading volume actually happens and how much people are buying and selling this token, which signifies to me more exchanges are going to have an interest towards it. Market cap is up 8%, guys, in the last 24 hours. We were just below 205 yesterday, which again is a little bit, honestly, it's a good price to get in at, right? Here's the thing with a lot of people when we were at 206 was asking me if I think, hey, do you think Turbo's coming down to 205? I missed the opportunity to get in. And those same people, guys, they see the price right now, and because there's so much FUD around it, they're not going to get it. Look, listen, if you're educated, if you know that nothing has really changed for Turbo, what you should be doing is taking advantage of these dips. For me personally, I was buying into Turbo at like 306, 305. So for me, I'm still up at 10x. And for a lot of people that were buying with me in the March time, right? So listen, guys, if you are one of those people who believe in Turbo, but just because the sentiment around it right now isn't the best, you're going to be hating yourself when it pumps back up to 207, 208. You're going to wait for it. You're going to be like, oh, is Turbo coming back down to 205? Even if it does come back down, you need to understand the sentiment around it isn't going to be bullish. The sentiment around it is obviously going to be fear, uncertainty, and doubt. That's just how it works, right? At the end of the day, that's just how it works. So, am I telling you guys to go out and buy this? Listen, I'm telling you to add it to your watch list. I can't tell you guys to buy it because I'm not a financial advisor. Look at this chart here. It looks pretty good. You can see it bounced off this demand area at the 203 really well, and now we just broke below the 2052. I do believe, though, in the next couple of days we will hold above it, guys. Just let it close. I don't think we're going to test the 204 mark, because that would be a little bit alarming. Again, regardless, I have a long-term outlook on these markets. So even if it does come back to this area, that just means that, I'm going to be buying, right? Other people are going to be buying. This is a very strong demand area, and this area 203 is even stronger, right? We do need to hold above the 205, guys, if we want to see a little bit more of a upwards momentum, in my opinion. And listen, if we get above this and we get back to where we were before, a penny should be coming relatively soon, and I believe a penny should even come by the end of this month. October to me is still a very bullish month. Don't be fooled just for the fact that, it started off a little bit shaky. That's because everyone was expecting for it to just absolutely rip it right off the bat. And you need to realize market makers know that, and they're going to do the opposite of what the general public are thinking. Now, obviously, if you guys are bullish on Turbo, make sure you go drop them a follow on Twitter so you stay up to date with the latest information, latest and greatest information about Turbo. And yeah, don't just wait for YouTubers to cover it and for more information to come out like that. You want to be proactive and do your part. Also, super cool, new listing in India. A lot of people keep commenting that I'm Indian. Listen, I'm not Indian, all right, guys? I'm not Indian. Now you can trade Turbo directly with Indian rupees on one of India's largest crypto exchanges. Secure, user-friendly, and accessible. Check it out below. CoinDCX. I absolutely love the fact that these guys are global, right? They list on, I think just the other day, in the Philippines. They list in Australia. They list in, South Africa. They list in Malaysia, just random countries that may not have access to one of the bigger exchanges, which is something that I absolutely love about this team. Okay, Turbo AMA in 24 hours. Special guest Crypto Now Never, co-hosted by Finance Freeman and Black Tiger Miner. Listen, guys, Finance Freeman is back. Super excited because these AMAs were something that I loved. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on these AMAs and if you're excited to have them back. Good morning, Turbo fam. I'm looking at the monthly Turbo chart today. Getting sucked into smaller time frame during pullbacks will stress you out unnecessarily. Normal people understand it's never a straight line where you want to be in life, and the markets are no different. These are the areas where patience and discipline come into play. That being said, Turbo token is actually looking pretty strong, and we are moving up overall. No worries, we will reach our goal. Definitely agree, guys. Listen, I'm still bullish on the 10-cent mark for Turbo long term, and that is the type of outlook you want to have. If you focus on the day-to-day small things, obviously you're going to get stressed out. So do not let stress take over. Do not let your fleshly desires take over where this market's really going to go. Anyways, it's been your boy Ro. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell, help your boy get to 10K subs before the end of the year. And with that being said, I will see you in my next video. God bless you guys. And yeah, peace out. Take care, guys.